What's up, guys? Welcome back to Alex Lawn Adventures. So today we have about a once a year deal that this happens. And so what I call them is maple squirters or helicopters. I don't know the exact correct term of what they're called, but they come off the tree. And so you can see all these deals. And inside here, inside this little pod, is like a seed. And when this seed gets planted, like in a flower bed for say, then it grows little maple trees. And so you can see that they're all scattered all over in the yard. So how do you deal with these? Well, just keep mowing them. Just keep mowing them out, keep mowing them. Blow all these off the sidewalk and everything. You may have to kill some maple seedlings out of your flower beds and whatever, but just keep mowing, because eventually you're going to either A, ground them up and they'll be gone, or B, if they do grow maple trees in your lawn, you're just gonna cut the tops off of them and kill them, and you're not even gonna notice. So like if you go over here to this side, there is very little. But over here where this maple tree is right there, that's where they're all over this side. So the best way to deal with them is just to keep mowing them out. You probably really can't rake them out. I mean, you probably could, but they're just going to keep falling for however long they're going to fall for. So it's not going to do you much good to rake them out. But just keep mowing them. I'm actually getting ready to do a mow right now. Okay, so we got the lawn mowed, and with that Toro, it doesn't do the best job of mulching stuff up, and the suction ain't very great. And that's one of the things I really am disappointed on that Toro. But we'll flip this around. You can see that a lot of the helicopters, or whatever you want to call them, are still here, but it chopped them up. I mean, they're in, most of it's in pieces, but it just didn't do a good enough job of actually mulching it up. And over the next probably 2 or 3 mows, you'll be able to mulch them up enough where it won't look as bad, but I mean, you can still see they're still there. It's a problem that you're gonna have to deal with no matter what, because they're gonna keep falling. So the best thing I can say is to just keep mowing them, and that will hopefully within a week or two get rid of most of them. So there's my little tip on today. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.